Smoothie recipes in the keto diet help burn and increase satiety. How about trying smoothie recipes on the keto diet to break the routine? The ketogenic diet is one of the common systems for losing excess body weight, and the keto diet relies on reducing carbohydrates and getting most of the calories from fat, as it improves blood sugar and lowers cholesterol levels in the blood. Since the keto diet limits carbohydrates, juices that contain high-carb components such as fruits, yogurt, honey, and milk are therefore not suitable for the keto diet, and this can be a problem for people who depend on juices for a quick, healthy breakfast or snack. Fortunately, there are still juices with low-carb, nutritious ingredients that are suitable for the keto diet. In this video, we will present to you the best recipes for keto juices that are low in carbohydrates and high in fat. Smoothie recipes on the keto diet. 1. Berry and avocado juice. Raspberries include cranberries and strawberries, and berries are characterized by being low in carbohydrates compared to most other types of fruits. They are also rich in dietary fibers, which are indigestible carbohydrates and promote the health of the digestive system. Berry and avocado juice contains 9 grams of net carbs and makes the perfect breakfast on the keto diet. To make a cup of berries and avocado juice, mix the following ingredients together. 1 cup of water. Half a cup of cranberries and strawberries. Half a cup of avocado. 40 grams of spinach. A cup of berry and avocado juice contains the following. Calories, 330 calories. Fat, 26 grams. Carbs, 21 grams. Dietary fiber, 12 grams. Protein, 12 grams. What are the best foods on keto? 2. Peanut butter with dark chocolate, the tastiest juice on the keto diet. Each cup of this juice contains only 9 grams of net carbs, and it makes a delicious snack or as a dessert after a meal. Peanut butter is rich in vegetable fats and protein, which help you feel full for long periods of time, and is suitable for the keto diet. To prepare 1 cup of peanut butter and chocolate juice, mix the following ingredients well together in a blender until smooth. 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk or any other milk low in carbohydrates. 2 tablespoons of creamy peanut butter. 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder. 1/4 cup of heavy cream. 1 cup of ice. Each cup of peanut butter and chocolate juice contains the following. Calories, 345 calories. Fat, 31 grams. Carbs, 13 grams. Dietary fiber, 4 grams. Protein, 11 grams. 3. Zucchini and strawberry juice, the healthiest juice in the keto diet. Zucchini is rich in dietary fiber and vitamin C, which is a water-soluble nutrient that works as an antioxidant and can help combat the primary cell damage that contributes to heart disease and other problems. A cup of zucchini and strawberry juice contains the following. Calories, 219 calories. Fat, 12 grams. Carbs, 24 grams. Dietary fiber, 15 grams. Protein, 7 grams. 4. Berry, coconut, and mint juice refreshing smoothie on the keto diet. Herbs and spices are good additions to juice when you can't use high-carb sweeteners like honey or sugar. A cup of raspberry, coconut, and mint juice contains 12 grams of net carbs and is an ideal and delicious way to meet your fat needs on the keto diet. To prepare a cup of this juice, mix these ingredients together well in a blender until smooth. Half a cup of unsweetened whole coconut milk. Half a cup of frozen cranberries. 2 tablespoons of grated coconut. 5 to 10 mint leaves. Each cup of raspberry, coconut, and mint juice contains the following. Calories, 321 calories. Fat, 29 grams. Carbs, 17 grams. Dietary fiber, 15 grams. Protein, 4 grams. 5. Cinnamon juice and berries. Cinnamon helps bring out the sweet flavors of fruits that are low in carbohydrates, such as berries. This juice is packed with dietary fiber and contains plant-based protein and fats from almond butter, making it an ideal and balanced breakfast for the keto diet. To prepare 1 cup of this juice, mix these ingredients together in a blender. 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk. Half a cup of frozen berries. 1 cup of spinach. 2 tablespoons of almond butter. 1/8 teaspoon cinnamon or more to taste. Each cup of cinnamon and blueberry juice contains the following. Calories, 286 calories. Fat, 21 grams. Carbs, 19 grams. Dietary fiber, 10 grams. Protein, 10 grams. 6 strawberry and cream juice. The creamy cream is rich in fat, which makes it suitable for the keto diet. Each cup of strawberry and cream juice contains 8 grams of net carbs. To prepare a cup of cinnamon and blueberry juice, mix the following ingredients together well. Half a cup of water. Half a cup of frozen strawberries. Half a cup of heavy cream. Each cup of strawberry and cream juice contains the following. Calories, 431 calories. Fat, 43 grams. Carbs, 10 grams. Dietary fiber, 2 grams. Protein, 4 grams. 7 chocolate and cauliflower juice. Frozen cauliflower may be a strange but delicious addition to low-carb smoothies. 1 cup of cauliflower contains 8 grams of carbohydrates and more than 2 grams of dietary fiber. Cauliflower is also rich in many micronutrients such as potassium and magnesium, which are essential for regulating blood pressure. To prepare a cup of chocolate and cauliflower juice, mix the following ingredients well together. 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk or coconut jelly. 1 cup of frozen cauliflower florets. 5 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. 1 tablespoon of cocoa nibs. Each cup of chocolate and cauliflower juice contains the following. Calories, 308 calories. Fat, 23 grams. Carbs, 19 grams. Dietary fiber, 7 grams. Protein, 15 grams. 8 pumpkin juice and spices. Pumpkin is a nutritious, low-carb vegetable that is suitable for incorporating into keto juices, and pumpkin is rich in dietary fiber, carotid, and nutrients that contain antioxidant properties that have strong anti-cancer effects. Each cup of pumpkin juice and spices contains 12 grams of net carbs. To prepare a cup of pumpkin juice and the spices, mix the following ingredients together well. Half a cup of coconut milk or unsweetened almond milk. Half a cup of boiled pumpkin. 2 tablespoons of almond butter. 1/4 of a teaspoon of spice. Half a cup of ice. A pinch of salt. Each cup of pumpkin juice and spices contains the following. Calories, 462 calories. Fat, 42 grams. Carbs, 19 grams. Dietary fiber, 7 grams. Protein, 10 grams. 9. Lemon juice and nuts for the keto diet. Most types of nuts are high in fat but low in carbohydrates, making them suitable for the keto diet. This juice contains cashews, which are rich in dietary fiber, unsaturated fats, potassium, and magnesium, and may help lower blood pressure and increase HDL levels of good cholesterol. Each cup of lemon juice and nuts contains 14 grams of net carbs. To prepare 1 cup of lemon juice and nuts, mix the following ingredients together well. 1 cup of water. Half a cup of unsweetened almond milk. 1/4 cup of raw cashew nuts. 1 cup of spinach. 2 tablespoons of grated coconut. 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Each cup of lemon juice and nuts contains the following. Calories, 281 calories. Fat, 23 grams. Carbs, 17 grams. Dietary fiber, 3 grams. Protein, 8 grams. If you follow the keto diet to lose weight or eat healthy food in order to maintain your health, you can make one of these recipes to enjoy a natural, healthy juice suitable for the keto diet, as it provides the body with the nutrients necessary to maintain it.
For any inquiries or questions, add your comment. And don't forget to subscribe and activate the notification to receive all new